When you crack your knuckles, you might think it's your bones making the noise, but that's not true. You see, in our joints, there's a lubricant called synovial fluid that contains dissolved gases, and when you stretch or bend your fingers, you pull the joint apart, creating a negative pressure. This pressure rapidly forms tiny gas bubbles, which eventually burst, causing the popping sound. Once you crack a joint, it takes about 20 minutes for the bubbles to build up again, which is why you can't crack the same knuckle right away.